Hello friends, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing well. Friends, we have come with the new content of our video today, and today's video content will be about how to remove the background in CapCut using Chroma Key. So let's start the video without delay. So first, you have to open your CapCut. After doing this, an interface like this will appear in front of you. You will see an option called New Project at the top. Go there, select it, and you have to select the photo you will choose by going to the new project. So let's select the photo. You can see an option called Add here. You need to click on this option. After doing that, here below you will see an option labeled with a number 4. Alright, so you will need to click on this overlay. After doing that, go to Add Overlay, and you will need to select the video or photo you want to insert. So we select the photo and video. So we adjust and place this green screen in this spot. After placing it, simply go to the side and you will see an option called Remove BG. Alright, so click on Remove BG and you will see an option on number 3. So by clicking on it, you will, after moving the color picker, remove it like this. Then we show you the video. After marking it with the right tick, you can see that. See, the background in front of you has been removed. So friends, if you liked our video, please like, subscribe and share the channel. I am off for now. See you in the next video.